Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a group in Outlook. So, if you want to create a new group, you want to go to this people section right here, which is this icon. Just click. Maybe you have this bar on the bottom or on the right side of the screen or on the top. It doesn't really matter. You just want to click to go to this people section. Then what you want to do is to click new contact group. If you can't see, if you have view like this, or maybe you can see this ribbon at all, like this one, then you want to click home, select this little arrow right here and select classic ribbon. And also, if you want to have it all the time, you wanna click always show ribbon. Okay, so if you want to create new contact group, like just click on a new contact group, and then you can name the group. For example, let me call it this group. You can name the group with a name you want to, obviously, and then you want to click add members. Now you can select if you want to select them from Outlook contacts or from address book or new email contact. I'm going to go from Outlook contacts because in most options you're gonna do this from Outlook contacts. You can search for people if you have a lot of contacts, and also you can select people just by double clicking on them. As you can see, now I have the contact in this section right here. After clicking OK, it means that this contact is gonna be in this group. You can add a lot of contacts by double clicking or just selecting them. And if you just click and select one contact, if you click another one, you're gonna select only one contact. If you do this holding the control button on your keyboard, you can select a lot of contacts and then click members, and all of them are going to be added in this section right here. Also, you can add contacts from different address books, so you can switch to another address book, then with a control button click some people, like click, and then click OK. Oh, I have some issue right now. Maybe try again. Okay. Now it's working. As you can see, I have this one contact added to the group because I don't have another contacts. And after you have added like a lot of contacts here, you just click save and close. And now, as you can see, you have created a new group. So I hope this video helped. If it did, please hit the like and consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.